Well guys, today sun's starting to come up now. It's going to be the day we're heading back and having to get everything ready and go to the dump station and all that fun stuff. Had a good time once again, not long enough, but it was a nice relaxing time. Luckily we had those storms come through yesterday, knocked the temperatures down to about 70, so it's real nice out here now. So if you like these videos, please click on that like and subscribe link down below. Leave me any comments you want, and please share this video with your friends. Thank you guys, and we'll get you back to the video. Of course, on the day we're leaving. But anyway, we did get out and kind of walk around in it yesterday, so we will be packing up and heading back. We're going to be taking you with us right after we roll the intro.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
And of course we always start these videos with the basics. Coffee. So much to do. Weather's beautiful. I don't want to leave. Of course I don't want to starve either, so... Well, today we'll be heading out. It's 70 degrees out here, kind of perfect weather. So anyway, we're going to take the dogs out and see what we need to do then. Well, there's Molly. They won't stand together. Got Lolo over there getting her game face on. Uh-oh, she's coming after me. Uh-oh. Hi, honey. Whoops.
Let me go.
She's relieving me of one of my dog duties. Beautiful campsite though. You see all around it. I'm telling you once again, I love these state parks. All the trees, they're just always beautiful. So luckily all those storms, it's nice and cool. It's about 70 degrees out here this morning. Tell you what, if it was like this all year, I think I'd just stay up here. That must be why God decides to make it so hot, so I will go back. But sure is pretty this morning. Molly's not quite used to all the camping, so she's a little sluggish. She didn't have her coffee. Jesse's taking a good old pee. Here's the beginning of the Monarch Trail. Got some other dog walkers coming. Taking one last walk down the Monarch Trail. There's a deer way down there. See if I can zoom in on it. Dang it, my dog is pulling at her. There it is. There's my deer. Hey, baby.
Try you and go back down.
Beautiful place. This is the amphitheater. Somebody didn't pick up after their pets. We're going to see where this trail takes us. Takes me right into a spider is what it does. Alright, come on, I don't know which side to... Alright, don't stop me right under the spider web. This is probably a better view in case I walk in a spider web.
Yeah, especially since you're walking on the right side instead of the left.
Yeah. I had a big spider get on me the other day on one of these trails, and they got webs kind of hanging all over. Look, I don't know, there's one there.
There's one here.
Bunch of them.
One up there.
Well, there's one. You see these spiders are just waiting in ambush. Anyway, went ahead and backed up, got the trailer set up. I let the jack stands, pick them up. Now I'm gonna, I always tend to forget to remove the wheel chocks and locks. So climbed under there, removed all that so it's ready to pull up. Now she's kind of cleaning inside. Once she's got that clean, she'll let the slide in. They'll disconnect the water and the electric and be ready to go. I'm just going to walk around the trailer. I let up the chalk, but you can tell I didn't pick up all the boards, and picked up the two on the other side, but Got to get all these on this side, so that's what I'll be doing. I picked up our dog leashes and put them in there, so just inch by inch. I got the okay to disconnect the water, so that's what I'm gonna do. Well, you can tell the dogs are wore out. We had a nice little stay. This was a good trip, so anyway, hate to be leaving, but you know, sometimes you got to do it. Well, we're getting ready to head home. I'm gonna jump out there and get the power here in a little bit. She's kind of finishing cleaning up some of the stuff inside so the slides can pull in good. But anyway, I was punching in my map here in the truck for on the way back, and it said Hurricane Beryl. You know, the hurricane is hitting the Gulf Coast right now. We haven't really had a lot of TV reception, so I don't know if it hit it hard or softly or what. But anyway, my map said Hurricane Beryl may inhibit your drive back home, so we'll see what we're in for. It's always an adventure here on Miller Time Journey. Well, we got the slide in and got confirmation. Hey, this is what I had to do. All these parks and RV places, the 50 amps always work good, but nearly every one of them, the 30 amps just suck. The plug just tries to fall out. So what you want to do is get some kind of bungee cord, kind of hold it in there, because I doubt you'll ever find one with a good 30 amp where the plug stays in. So anyway, that's a little tip. Good thing to carry with you. So anyway, I'm going to unplug it and we're going to hit the road. As you can see, everything is unhooked from it, and we are good to pull out. Trailer's all hooked up, running lights are on. Now, I always leave the propane on while I'm driving because the propane will run the refrigerator and keep everything cool until we get back home. So the last stop by the dumpster and then by the dump station, and we'll be hitting the road. Trash dump. Now just the dump station. Good job, Lolo. You're my trash hero. It's kind of stupid of them to put the dump station right there by the thing that says don't block the. Don't block the service road.
Oh, right.
Well,
don't have a whole lot of choice sometimes, huh?
yeah, you don't leave us much of a choice on that. So now for the funnest job of the trip, the dump station. Anyway, guys, remember last time we had the issues with the seal and everything was leaking? We did buy new seals, so we'll see how that works. So I got everything here. Got my gloves. I always use the gloves for the dump station. I got my new seals in there, so we should be good. So we're just going to take that off. This just flows on it. Always dump your black water first, then your gray water. And also don't forget, you have right under here a flush, and then you have a thing to empty out water out of your freshwater tank up in the front. So this is the lowest spot on the rig, so that dumps all the water out of your lines and stuff. So you don't want that sitting there and building up algae and stuff. Well, we're all checked out and ready to hit the road. Oh, we made it back home. Home sweet home, where there's actually TV signal and internet. So anyway, I'm gonna have to really figure out what to do in that thing for the internet stuff. You can tell the dogs are taking a little break before we go unload it and having an ice cream. So on this video, on the grill I was having trouble with on the last camping trip, I did come through here, and once I got home with a wire brush, you know, cleaned everything all up and underneath. Still wasn't quite working, but if you look at this piece here, where the striker is, it's kind of hard to see it from that angle, but see that little hole right there where the gas feeds out? I kind of tried to get in there and clean that out. I was actually able to get a flame and get it working, so anyway, I may be able to salvage the grill, so we will see. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys. Be sure to look at these videos down here. If you have one of these, you got a lot of money tied up into it. Follow this link to see how to keep these things secured when you're not right there with the RV. It's sitting at home and you're out doing stuff. So anyway, once again, thank you guys for watching these videos, and we'll see you on the next video.